Hi friends, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful Irish crochet lace piece. Of course, I'm using some red yarn and I'm using my 2.5mm crochet hook. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, to start the piece, we're going to go ahead and secure the center. I tend to hold my yarn like this and just twist and start to chain. We're going to go ahead and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go ahead and do a magic ring if you'd like. I do not do magic rings. Go in the first chain space and go ahead and slip stitch. A total of 16 single crochets in this center for row 1. So we're not going to chain anymore. Just go ahead and start with single crochets. First single crochet always counts as 2. So we've got 2 single crochets, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And we're going to go ahead and slip stitch into that first chain space there like that. That's row 1 complete. For row 2, we're going to go ahead and chain 3 to start the second round, but now we're going to chain 3 as part of the pattern for the second round. So we are going to go ahead and skip that first chain space there. We're going to go into the second chain space and place 1 double crochet like this. Chain 3 and do that again. So skip the next chain space and double crochet into the second chain space. Chain 3, skip the first chain, double crochet in that second chain space, chain 3, and we're going to do that again. Double crochet, chain 3, skip that first stitch, go into the next stitch, double crochet, chain 3, skip that next stitch, go into the second stitch, double crochet, chain 3. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 posts. We need 8 in total. So of course we're going to go ahead and skip the next chain space, go in the last chain space, double crochet, chain 3, and now we're going to count 3 chains up, 1, 2, 3. So go ahead and slip stitch into that space there. So we've now got 8 bars if you like. Okay, now that's row 2 complete. For row 3, we're going to go ahead and chain 3. What we're going to do now is we're going to start to work clusters of double crochets in these spaces here. We're not going to go in the space, we're going to work in the chains. Go into that second chain space there and work a double crochet. So we've now got 2 double crochets because the first one always counts as 2. Go ahead and place another double crochet like this. That's our first cluster done. We're going to chain 2, move into the next space, and we're going to insert 3 double crochets into these chains here. So that's 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, and we're going to repeat that same thing all the way around. 1, 2, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, same thing, 1, 2, 3 double crochets, chain 2, in that next cluster space we're going to work again 3 double crochets, chain 2, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 2, same thing. We are approaching the end now. 1, 2, 3 double crochets. Go ahead and chain 2, and we're going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain up from that last bar. There we go. That's our 3rd round complete. Let's now move on to our 4th round. 4th round is quite similar to the 3rd round. So we're going to go ahead and chain 3. We're going to continue to work in these clusters that we've already made here, but we're going to go ahead and place 4 chains in between the clusters. This is going to help our work grow in size and not like curl up almost. So go ahead and work a double crochet in that cluster there, another double crochet, and now we've got 3, because remember that first double crochet always counts as 2. Chain 4 and move on to the next cluster. 3 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 4, and we're going to repeat that all the way around. 1, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next cluster, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 4, the next cluster, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 4, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to repeat that in the next cluster again. So 3 double crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are fast approaching our last cluster. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain up from that last space there, like this. So this is round 4 complete. Let's now move on to round 5. Now for round 5 we're going to go ahead and chain 2, but what we need to do is, you see these cluster spaces, we need to make them pointy. How we're going to do that is we're going to start to double crochet, but we're not going to complete the double crochet. So we've got 3 strands of yarn, pull through 2, stop there, another double crochet, we're going to pull through 2, and now we're going to pull through all of them. See how that's made a pointy bit there? Now go ahead and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to single crochet into this chain like that. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's look at this cluster here. Again, we need to make that pointy. So we're going to start a double crochet, 3 strands on our yarn, pull through 2, stop, don't complete it. We're going to start to make the second double crochet, pull through 2, stop, don't complete it. And now the last one, pull through, but only pull through 2. Now we're going to pull through all of them. See how that's made it nice and pointy? Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's the pattern all the way around. So we're going to single crochet in the chain spaces. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to do the same thing with this cluster here. So we're going to start to double crochet, only pull through 2. Start the second double crochet, only pull through 2. The third double crochet, only pull through 2. Now we've got 4 strands of yarn on our hook. Pull through all of those. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the chain spaces. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the same thing with these clusters here. Only pull through 2. Start the next double crochet. Pull through like that. Third space. Pull through like that. 4 strands of yarn on the hook. Pull through all of them. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And single crochet in the chain spaces there. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just want to show you what our work's looking like so far. Okay, and let's carry that on. So 1 partial double crochet, 2 partial double crochet, 3 partial double crochet. Pull through all of them. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Partial double crochet, partial double crochet, partial double crochet. Pull through all of those. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And single crochet. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Partial double crochet, partial double crochet, partial double crochet. Pull through all of them. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're working the last cluster. Partial double crochet, partial double crochet, partial double crochet. Pull through all of them. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in that chain space there. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to finish off by slip stitching in the top of that first cluster space there. And that's it. That's our finished piece. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.